Hello, good morning in Europe, good evening in United States. This is Ahura with another daily outlook video. As you know, in this series of videos, we are looking at the market to see what happened yesterday, what is going on in the market, and what we have to expect from today's financial market in general. As you know, and as you can see in the chart, market risk again increased. Too many news that this Omicron variant, even if it's not as dangerous as it was expected in earlier, it is improving. It's spreading much faster than expected. So therefore, after UK's decisions yesterday to put some more restrictions in the country ahead of the new year. Now there are many talks about in other countries and Eurozone as well to have more restrictions because the fastest spreading of this virus can put the hospitals under pressure and like overloading the infected. It's not just about the having a little bit kind of more dangerous stuff, but the thing is that more dangerous cases or deadly cases, no, this is about the weight on healthcare departments. Anyway, on the other hand, yesterday we had, let's go see the chart of US dollar chart to see that's what happened here. US dollar chart, as you can see, again increase and trading so confidently above 96 level. The reason, yesterday we had US employment data. US employment initial jobless claims fell to its lowest level since 1090 since 1996, sorry, since, yeah, 96 or 97, 76. So it's just like I'm just curious that what happened. 1969, sorry, its lowest level since 1969. So this 1969, lowest level since 1969 at 184,000 or 184K initial jobless claim means that the labor market is improving amazing. So the labor market is great. We are in a very good shape in the labor market. Therefore, what we are expecting is to see what we are waiting to see is today's US inflation data. Today, US inflation data will tell us that, sorry, I have some pain on my tongue, so I can't pronounce some words. So today's US inflation numbers will be very important to watch, as it will tell us that what we have to expect from next week's Federal Reserve meeting. FOMC meeting in next week will be the key level for the financial market to understand where the stock, especially stock markets, supposed to go, where US dollar is supposed to go. These numbers, with very good employment numbers, what happened yesterday, it is right now the percentage of the expectation from FOMC members to have more hawkish policies increasing. Increasing hawkish policies means more pressure on stock markets, means more demand for US dollar. Therefore, the US dollar is increasing. And today's inflation number, if it confirms the numbers above this level, we will see again higher numbers. About the oil market, as I mentioned in the beginning, fast spreading of this variant of virus, Omicron variant of virus, is a little bit worrying. Right now, the market is worried about that. On the other hand, US so I mean, so this worries about the faster spreading of this virus can put the markets a little bit under pressure, can put the demand under pressure. So we have to see for more. We have to wait and see more updates. On the other hand, U.S.-Iran talks again started from today. Iranian negotiation, but it's their nuclear plan will start from today. Therefore, we have to wait and see what is going on there. If they can agree on something, so it means that Iranian supply also will add to the market there. So the good news, optimist news about these negotiations can put the oil market under pressure. On the other hand, we cannot be so optimistic about the oil market. Okay. It's about the oil, about the stock market. I told today's inflation numbers, the yesterday's labor market data put more pressure on the Federal Reserve to have more hawkish policies, which it means lower stock market. This is the reason. And today's inflation number, if we see the inflation any number above 6%, means that till year end we have to see the stock market in a downtrend, which is more likely to see. Same thing in the Nasdaq, same thing in S&P 500. Dow Jones also will be the same, even if it's increased a little bit last night, but it's the same. About the cryptocurrencies market, still they are under pressure. Yesterday also I talked about that. Earlier before also I told 61.8% of last fall sits as 51,000. If we cannot break the 51,000 above, it means that we have to wait and see the lower numbers. If the market if the price can brush under 47,500, then it will be then we have to look after 46,000 and 43,000 and therefore 39,000 for Bitcoin. Same downtrend is expected for other main cryptocurrencies like Ripple and Ethereum as well. So this is generally what is going on in the market. Today we don't have that much important data to watch. The main data to watch is US inflation number. Also we have the German inflation numbers, which will be announced like in 3 hours, like in 3 hours. And then we have Miss Lagarde's speech. Today Miss Lagarde's speech will be important. Why? Because next week we will have monetary policy meeting from European Central Bank. So European Central Bank is planning. Let's go to the Euro USD. Let me tell you something. Where we are? Here we go. Euro USD. This is Euro USD chart. European Central Bank is planning to increase the level of their asset purchasing for the short term. So today's German inflation number will be important. Today's Ms. Lagarde's speak will be important to see what is her expectations from the market, what is her outlook from the market, and German inflation data also will tell us if it will be more than 5.2% of expectations. It will increase the chance of hawkish policies in ECB as well. So it means is higher inflation number from the Germany means that the euro can support itself a little bit against its crosses, especially against US dollar. However, if the inflation numbers will be less at the 5.2% or any number at below 5.2%, will put more pressure on euro, because expectations from European Central Bank to increase the level of to start hawkish policies will decrease. So we will see a weaker euro against its crosses. This is general what is going on in the market. Sorry, I was so fast and speaking, and I'm ending so fast this one because I'm in hurry. I have to go to the meeting. You will have the last day of the market with the profit. You will finish finish this week with the profit, and with the positive energy becoming ready for next week to start on Monday. Have a good weekend. Take care. See you guys on Monday. Bye bye.